The product that we're going to talk about today is the VRV Life System. I actually take immense pride in this product because I had the opportunity to introduce the product in 2016 to the whole industry at the AHR Expo. VRV Life is the industry's first residential VRV heat pump system that can actually connect to a gas furnace. A VRV Life system is available in 4 different capacities, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ton systems. To each of these, depending on the tonnage, you can connect anywhere from 4 indoor units all the way up to 10 indoor units. If you can imagine the benefit that this brings, instead of having 2, 3 different condensers in your backyard, you can now have one single condensing unit and connect to 4 or 5 different indoor units and provide the zoning capability and the comfort that zoning gives to the entire home. Many contractors have told us that the true joy they get when a VRV Life system is installed is the satisfaction, the level of comfort that they're able to deliver to their homeowners. All VRV Life systems are extremely compact in size. This frees up a lot of space in the homeowner's backyard. If you want to have Wi-Fi capability to control the system, that's on a VRV Life system as well.